Hello, good day to you, Scorpio and Crosswatcher are welcome also. Welcome to Happy Angel Reading. And today reading is for Scorpio, what is coming for you within 10 days, no? So, titingnan natin kung ano ang parating sa'yo, uh, general reading. So, let's begin po, no? Thank you, Father. Just to let us in reading. Yeah. So, let's see, no? Ano po ang paparating? King of Wands, Four of Swords, Ace of Cups. Wow, ganda. Okay, Nine of Swords, Queen of Coins in reverse, and we have the Queen of Swords. Ayan, so kukuha rin tayo ng guidance later, no? Ito. Ito na pala yung guidance. No? So, kung saan ka dapat mag-focus, no? So, within next 10 days, kung kailan mo makita to, start ng counting mo yon, no? So, we have here the King of Wands, Four of Swords, uh, you may came across sa mga fire sign. No, it could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Parang that will play important role on your next 10 days. And it's also a little bit, sabihin natin, medyo materialistic na tao dito na isang Queen of Pentacles. They could be an isang matalino at mabait na parang mother figure din sa'yo na parang yan yung makukonect mo this within 10 days or you will came across with those persons. Parang nakikita ko rin dito na medyo parang you are resting. Medyo parang napapagod ka. Hindi ko alam kung mother mo ito, medyo siguro maingay or sabihin natin na parang medyo nadidrain ka. So you feel a little bit restless dito sa within 10 days mo. Pero nakikita natin, you've got lots of ano, no? So let's say, so yung mga tao sinabi ko na maaari mong came across this within next 10 days. So may nakikita din akong bagong pag-ibig na paparating sa iyo if you're single, no? Because ito nga may Ace of Cups ka dito. It could be a new lover or sabihin natin sa mga single na parang you're opening your heart na uli, no? Parang you're open, sabihin natin, may paparating din na bagong pagmamahal sa'yo. Ang nakikita kong specific na sign dito, isang matured na, isang matalinong babae na medyo matanda sa'yo. So that you might came across on that persons also within next 10 days. No? And then, itong King of Wands naman, na when it comes sa, sabihin natin sa energy, ito yung very, yung taong ito is very powerful, sabihin nating very visionary siya. So, parang ikaw, ang magiging energy mo ng Scorpio na you could be also feeling confident. being the energy of King of Wands din. Oh, then, no? You're gonna be very confident then and determinado ka at saka parang ready ka mag-take charge, no? Sabihin din natin na medyo inspired ka within next 10 days. Tsaka parang nakita natin is very determinado ka at handa kang mamuno. Um, Magbibigay ka rin ng sabihin natin inspiration sa people around you or sabihin natin sa ibang tao. Parang you got full of passions dito this coming within your next 10 days. You're full of passions, very active ka, no? Parang you are ready to go. Kasi nga parang marami kang may inspire this within next 10 days. Parang you are very firm on your old decisions or sabihin natin you got a very clear path or goal na gusto mong marating, no? Parang you are about to start. At meron ka ring Four of Swords dito. Ito yung sinasabi natin na medyo pagod ka nga, very active ka, and then but you need to take a rest then, no? Maybe within your 5 days, siguro you need to take a rest kasi parang yung start ng 10 days, ng start from the beginning ng ngayon mabasa mo, medyo you're being exhausted because of you are very energetic ang itong ano na to, no, itong araw na to, and then kailangan mo rin magpahinga within the middle. So it could be mga within 5 days na nag-work hard ka. And then ngayon, parang it's about time na you need to take a rest din, no? Parang sinasabi rito. At you need to stop a little bit at mag-recharge ka at sinasabi rin na maari din you need to parang sabi natin na habang kasi may King of Wands rito, parang this is suggest na you've been through a lot, so you need to take a rest. You need to charge your battery also, no? You need to unwind also, no? So with the Ace of Cups dito, which symbolizing na new emotional beginning when it comes to your love life, no? Na new happiness or sabihin din natin new spiritual awakening is coming sa iyo, no? Pagkagising spiritually sa iyo. And para sa iyo, Scorpio, ito ay maaring mga hulugan ng bagong relasyon or sabihin nating namumukadkad ng isang panibagong pakiramdam na emosyonal na katuparan, no? O isang pagdagsa ng pagiging malikhain or parang awakening yung intuitions mo. So ito ay isang napaka-positive sign para sa iyong emotional healing at opening your heart again, no? Sa mga natatakot umibig, parang you are now ready, no? To accept some suitors or to love again. So you have the Nine of Swords here. Ito yung yeah, showing na medyo a little bit bothered and fear or sabihin natin pagkabalisa or very is worrying or sabihin natin na too much worrying also, no, especially baka hindi ka rin mapagkatulog-tulog, no? So maaring meron ka ring nakatagong fear or sabihin nating sins o pagsisisi or guilt, no, na nagdudulot ng mental na paghihirap sa iyo. So ito yung isang tiyawag na parang harapin yung mga panloob na demons or let's say your own ghosts, no? Parang ganon. O ito yung sabihin nating admit kung ano yung nagdudulot sa iyo ng big stress, no? So kaya medyo hindi ka mapagkatulog-tulog sa gabi. So within next 10 days, no? So since na may Queen of Pentacles ka rito, which is reverse. So ito yung nagsasabi na ano no? Na parang nagpapahiwatig ng parang mispriority or pagiging sabihin natin selfish o isang pakikipag sabihin natin pakikibaka or balansehin yung personal at saka professional na buhay. So, para sa iyo, ito yung maaring meaning na you're feeling na hindi ka grounded, no? Or pinabayaan mo yung sarili mo. Ayan nga, kasi panay trabaho ka, trabaho, trabaho. Kaya sinasabi sa iyo, you need to take a break with this Four of Swords, no? Or sinasabi, you need to take charge again, recharge. Kasi nga, yeah, may Queen of ano ka rito no? Queen of Coins. So medyo napabayaan mo yung sarili mong kapakanan. O parang parang marami ngang umaasa sa iyo within next 10 days. So magiging focus ka rin, masyado kang focus sa ibang tao, but you are not taking care of yourself din dito, no? So Scorpio, ayan, ina-advise sa'yo na may nakikita rin tayo dito na kailangan din na medyo do not be so materialistic and parang let's say sabihin na balance rin sa paggastos ang dapat gawin sa within 10 days or medyo magiging too much spending ka rin siguro to please everybody but not sure not doing it for yourself. So dapat daw pagbigyan mo ng panahon din ang sarili mo rito, no? So since my Queen of Swords ka rito, ito yung nakikita din natin, no? If not sa persons, we could say na I've seen here na may clarity. Parang this is telling na kailangan mong lapitan ng mga sitwasyon na logic or sabihin natin not only parang sabihin natin do not just use your heart when it comes to what decisions. Kailangan gamitin din ng utak, no? At logic, no? Parang ganon. You need to balance that, not only using your heart when making some decisions. Nakita natin, you will gonna invade that also kapag nakapagpahinga ka na rin siguro, no? Or you will came across sa isang tao ding matalino, logic, magaling mag-decide, parang mother figure din. But I could see this could also say na sabihin natin na within next 10 days, mga last siguro sabihin natin mga 8 or 9 days yan, nakikita ko na you will have some clarity. Magkakaroon ka ng parang you will find something which is true or sabihin natin mas more on decision mo is galing na yung hindi mo na pinapareal din yung puso mo. Kumbaga, you're gonna be very more smart. Magiging mas smart ka, no? So, ang within ng kabuuan mo sa susunod na 10 araw, Scorpio is sabihin natin na may isang time na malaking konting challenge yung sabihin nating tunggalian or panlabas na potential mo, maari kang ma maari kang medyo manghina, so wag mong pabayaan, you need to take a rest. Pero yung pagiging energetic mo, you need to recharge daw. Yan paulit-ulit na binibigkas ko, no? Kailangan you need to take care of yourself also. And meet someone new. Meron ding sabihin nating new happiness is about to come to you. You may came across with the Queen of Swords, no? Parang nakita natin positive naman. At itong Queen of Pentacles in reverse, this is telling na maaring mabaliwala yung mga priority mo at maari kang mahirapan balancing yung personal na kapakanan or sabihin nating iba pang priority. Maaring may possibility na maging masyadong makasarili o pabayaan ang practical na bagay. So, para to be able to surpass that, no? Paganahin daw ang Queen of Swords. Ibig sabihin, gawing gabay ang Queen of Swords, no? This is telling you na maging let's say, linawan mo yung pag-iisip, be logical when it comes in communications. Kailangan mo ring gamitin ang matalas na talino upang matukoy ang ugat kung saan ka nababalisa, no? Kasi may nine of ano ka rito. So, always remember na huwag hayaang maging blockage ang iyong judgment, or sabihin natin, when it comes, do not, kumbaga, make a decisions based on not only came from your heart, but also came to your mind din, no? Parang ganon. Kasi sometimes, lots of people will gonna take advantage of you kapag masyado tayong mabait, no? And then, oo ka na lang, parang you are type of a persons ng oo ng oo na hindi makahindi. No? Kaya din sabi, uh, it's good also na pairalin mo rin, isipin mo rin ang sarili mo, no? So, ito daw, saan ka daw dapat mag-focus within next 10 days? What risk can I take today? Tanungin mo yung sarili mo kung ano yung dapat mong i-risk. So, ang sabi rito, be not mistaken, you will have to take a bigger risk than you ever thought possible in this path towards your dreams. You will have to take a big, scary leap, but do not fret because your soul has a wing. So, your actions will be what risk can you take to move towards your dreams? Make a decisions and do it. No more thinking, only doing. Be brave and courageous and you will discover what you are really made of. Kung ano yung sa tingin mong bago, wag ka daw urong, no? Kumbaga, take the leap of faith. Wag kang umurong sa mga challenge, no? Kasi that will help you grow, no? So within next 10 days, maaring mga panibago nga, kaya nga din sinasabi, wag lang pairalin sa ang puso so when it comes to decisions, no? Pati din daw ang utak. So, sabi rito, uh, wag kang matakot kasi nga yung souls mo kaya kang ilipad, no? You could fly high din, ang sabi ganon dito. Makapunta ka sa dreams mo, para ma-achieve mo yung goal mo, no? Always remember, you are not alone on that journey. Somebody is with you. Always remember that. Okay, so Scorpio, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'm inviting you to our live. So make sure you hit the notifications bell so you'll be updated po, or you'll be notified if we're going live, no? Okay, thank you and God bless you.